What's up, traders? Alright, Jay is here, and in this video I am going to be demystifying the popular myth that a lot of traders have as opinion, where people believe that you need 70 to 80% or even 90% win rate to be successful as a trader. Now, while that is it sounds really good on paper to say, okay, I have a strategy that works 80% of the time, but realistically, the truth of the matter is that that is one of the loophole or pitfall lots of traders get trapped in, aiming for perfection that is not really there, and in the long run keep them not profitable, making sure that they are tied up in this mess, not making profit. All right, now welcome to this YouTube channel. If this is the first time you are joining us in this YouTube channel, here we discuss all that has to do with making money from trading the financial market, excellent risk management, weekly market overview, crypto, binary strategies. Now, we're not discussing about so many strategies, but we'll be using one particular strategy over time that has proven to be repeatable, repeated, and can give you all you desire as a trader. Now, if that sounds good to you, what you want to do is click the like button or the subscribe button in this channel and give it a thumb up. And I want you to also comment below your problem or issues you might be having as a trader. All right. Now, you want to do all of those things I have said earlier. Click the like button, click the subscribe button, and be a part of what we're doing in this channel, so that the algorithm, it makes the algorithm happy, and so that when we upload the next set of videos, you'll be the first to get them. Okay, so let's head over to what we'll be dealing with today. We're going to be dealing with the myth that tries to say you need 80 to 90% win rates to succeed as a trader, and that is absolutely a myth, and it's not the right way. Now, let me give you a quick personal story. About my life. Some years back, when I started trading, I met a trader, and then he asked me at the time, he was like, what's the percentage win of your strategy? And I told him 80%. And when I mentioned 80%, I could tell the disappointment in his face. I could tell the disappointment in his look, right? And a lot of traders are like that. Now, over the years, I have come to realize that actually all you need to succeed is anywhere around 30 to 35% win rate. Yes, not even 50%, not even, and I'm going to show that with proof. All right. Now, this is super important. Now, I'm going to head over to one of the members of our academy sent a screenshot of a funded account, Forex funded account, right? And you could see obviously he had passed the first phase of the evaluation. Now he's currently on the second phase. So I asked him to go check out the first phase and send that. So now look at the result of the first phase that he passed. Obviously the $15,000 account, traded funded account, right? And what is his win rate? 51%. 51%. This is even high. This is high. But I just want to prove to you that you don't even need up to 50%, okay, to be a successful trader. All right. Now, why am I passionate about this? Because it will deliver you, as it were, from that aim to be a perfectionist. And over the course of this channel, we'll be bringing up skills, tools that you can actually become proficient enough, right, with your current trade strategy and make a killing of the market. All right, and I'm going to discuss that in the next slide very quickly. All right, you don't need all of those to be extremely successful. Now, basically, right, let me say this before I explain what I want to show you very quickly in this video, that after this training, after this mini information, some of you would not need to change your strategy. No matter the strategy you will be using to trade, you would not need to change it. So long as you can get 30-35% win rate from it, you are good. And I mean every single one. So right over, I'm jumping over to my screen, and I'm just going to give you this theoretically, and it's actually very, very much applicable. This is what I teach in our mentorship and whatnot classes and all that. Now let's say trader A, right? Trader A has an account of $100, has a 100 USD account, right? Now trader A has a strategy that gives him 35%, also let's say 30% win rate. Okay, so his win rate, all right, win rate is what? 30%. 30%, and that's when we say 30%, that would mean for every 10 trades he takes, that 10 trades could be for the week, for the month, or but not a day, right? You don't want to trade so much in a day. So for every 10 trades he takes, trader A is going to have 7 losses, right? 7 losses and 3 wins. 7 losses and 3 wins. This is for a 30% win rate. Good. 7 losses, 3 wins. Now here is where the drift comes in. If trader A manages his risk such that every time he trades, he is using a 1:4 risk, a 1:4 risk, that means for every $1 he loses, or he risks, every $1 he risks, he's going to profit $4. Right? For every $1 he loses, if it goes for him, he will profit $4. Okay, so what that means is that for every $10 he lost, when trade goes for him, he will profit $40. You get the drift. So that would mean for 7 trades, okay, assuming he does the $1 stuff, for 7 trades that he lost, all right, for $1 per loss would equal to what? $7, right? So he lost $7 for those 7 trades, okay, and then for the remaining 3 trades he profits in, all right, for $4. He's going to end up having $12 profit for those 3 trades. Now, when we do the math, 7 or 12 minus 7 is going to come up net profit $5, right? Okay, $5. This is huge. Now, you may be wondering, why are we doing 1:4? Even if we do 1:3, can we try 1:3? Right? Let's try 1:3. So 1:3, everything remains 30%. So for every 10 trades, he loses 7 and wins 3. So for the 7 losses that he has, he's still going to have a $7 loss, right? And for the 3 trades he profits 1:3, he's still going to have what? $9 loss, right? And when you do the math, 9 minus 7 is still going to come out $2 positive or profit at a 30% win rate. Listen, guys, this is to me the most important aspect of trading. The holy grail of trading the financial market is risk management. So the question is not your strategy as much as it is about what is your risk to reward ratio. Every time you're going to pull the trigger of your buy or sell, what are you risking with respect to what would you profit? And again, all of these things come together with your lot size, your pips, and all that. We'll discuss that in another training video. All right. But the first thing, which is my goal for this particular information, is that you do not need 100, 80, 70, 60, or even a 40% win rate to be profitable as a trader. You have seen from the screenshot I showed earlier, a 51% win got someone funded. I have so many others that have 30, 35, 40%. All right. So the 2 questions you should be asking yourself: number 1, what is the win rate of my strategy? So if you don't have a trade journal, you want to have a trade journal as a trader, where you log in your trades, right? You log in your trades, you discover what is the win rate of your system. Number 1. And number 2, before you pull the trigger, buy or sell, you want to actually determine what risk are you. Of course, you're not risking more than 1% or 2% at most of your account size. We're going to discuss more about that in the next video. Alright, so if you gain a thing or two about this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel, give a comment right below this the chat, and discuss with me what are those things that you feel are your major issue as a trader. And maybe if I get enough responses in the next video, I'm going to talk about them, and obviously you will be glad you joined in. Alright, so thank you so much for joining this or watching this information. I'll see you in the next video. Peace, signing out.